Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes from protein powder easy guide. Mix protein powder with flour or oats, add an egg and 1/2 cup milk, then whisk until smooth. Heat a non-stick pan to medium and oil lightly to prevent sticking. Spoon 1/4 cup batter per pancake and cook until bubbles form, then flip and finish golden brown on both sides. In this video, I will show how to make pancakes from protein powder easy guide. If batter is dense, add 1 to 2 tablespoons water or milk to loosen it up. Use baking powder for lift and flavored powder to cut sugar needs. Gentle folding preserves air, and cook on medium rather than high for even browning. Top with yogurt, nut butter, or fruit for added flavor and nutrients. In this video, I will show how to make pancakes from protein powder easy guide. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes in the kitchen effortless and keeps splash worries at bay, plus it fits nicely beside your mixing bowl. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make pancakes from protein powder easy guide. Use a 1/4 cup scoop for consistent sizing and cook over medium heat to avoid burning. Flip when edges set and bubbles appear on the surface, then cook briefly after flipping. Keep finished pancakes warm in a low oven while you finish the batch, and serve immediately with preferred toppings for best texture and taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.